Imagine turning on your lights with just your fingerprint. No switches, no apps, no remote. This smart fingerprint sensor lets you control your lights instantly. Just touch it. The light turns on, touch it again, and it turns off. It works perfectly with LED strips, spotlights, and most low-voltage lighting systems. Fast response, clean design, and super easy to install. Perfect for smart homes, shops, offices, and modern interior designs. Only authorized fingerprints can control it. Simple, secure, and seriously cool. And if you want to see how to install it step by step, make sure you keep watching till the end for the full installation tutorial. Alright, let's get your smart lights set up. First, you'll need a power supply at either 12 volts or 24 volts, depending on the lights you're using. Check your LED strip or bulb to see which one it needs. If it's 12 volts, grab a 12 volt adapter. If it's 24 volts, use a 24 volt adapter. Make sure your power supply is rated for the total wattage of your lights. Next, let's connect everything safely. Start by connecting the input of the power supply to your main electricity. Always double-check connections before turning it on. Now, take the fingerprint switch module. Connect the power supply output to the input of this module. This is what will let you control your lights with just a touch. Then, connect your LED strip or light to the output side of the fingerprint module. Pay attention to the positive and negative wires. They must match correctly or the lights won't work. Once all wires are connected, tidy them up to keep it safe and clean. Turn on the power. Now for the fun part, just touch the fingerprint sensor, and your lights turn on instantly. Touch it again, and they turn off. That's it. A simple, secure, and smart installation. You've got total control right at your fingertip. And if you want to see step-by-step installation for all types of lights, keep watching till the end for the full tutorial. This smart fingerprint sensor is perfect for secure or sensitive areas. Think private offices, confidential rooms, labs, or high-security spaces. Fast, reliable, and easy to install. Just touch the sensor, and the lights turn on instantly. Touch it again, and they turn off. Simple, secure, and totally smart. No one else can use it, unless it's your fingerprint. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to see more smart gadgets, step-by-step tutorials, and cool tech tips, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications. Join our community and stay updated with the latest tech made simple and smart. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.